If your microwave stops working, don't rush to throw it away. One possible culprit could be a blown fuse. As you can see, it's not working and was discarded. Before any repairs, unplug the appliance from the power outlet. To access the fuse, remove the microwave's outer cover. After opening the microwave, locate the fuse. If the fuse is blown, its filament will be broken or dark. In a pinch, you can use a piece of wire instead of a fuse. With pliers, cut a small wire piece and wrap it on the blown fuse. It's a quick, cheap fix if you can't buy a fuse right now. Plug in the microwave and test if the problem is solved. Never replace the fuse without unplugging the microwave first. Always use fuses with the correct specifications. Replacing a microwave fuse can be done at home, but be careful. Following these steps can save you time and money. I hope this tip is helpful to you. See you in the next video.